Indiana has now opened COVID vaccine eligibility to everyone 16 and older, and Pfizer has just announced that its vaccine is safe and effective for people as young as 12 years old, although the government has not approved that age group to get vaccinated yet. Still, most people in the state now have the option to get vaccinated. We took to the WRTV Facebook page to ask how you're feeling over this, and while some say they will never allow their child to get a COVID vaccine, others are counting down the days. More than 1,000 of you left a comment sharing your opinion. Our Nikki Dementri tonight spoke with a Wayne Township mother on how she feels about Pfizer's announcement that its vaccine works in those between the ages of 12 and 15 years old. And Nikki shares what a local infectious disease expert says this all means.
It's the same vaccine that the adults got, and it showed that kids tolerated it really well, and it was really effective, which is really what we were hoping to see.
It's encouraging news for this infectious diseases doctor at Riley Hospital for Children. Pfizer releasing findings Wednesday from the vaccine trials in kids ages 12 to 15.
What they found is none of the kids that got the vaccine ended up getting coronavirus, whereas 18 kids in the placebo arm got it. So they showed that it was 100% effective. And they showed that it was very safe, so it was tolerated really well.
Right now, Pfizer is the only vaccine authorized for use in Americans age 16 and older. Dr. James Wood says he hopes the use of the vaccine in 12 to 15-year-olds happens within the next few weeks.
I'm very hopeful that as it becomes available, that a lot of kids will be able to get it before school starts.
I've kind of been all over the place about the vaccine.
Shannon Singer-Mann's two youngest children would become eligible if the Pfizer vaccine does receive emergency use authorization. But she says there are many questions she wants answered before that happens.
It's a lot of things to take into consideration.
WRTV shared this Wayne Township family story in December on what life was like living in strict quarantine. It's all to protect her son, who lives with a rare lung disease and brain tumor.
We're pretty much still in quarantine. It's been just right over a year now.
Singer-Mann says she's not against getting the vaccine and trusts her son's doctors who encourage it, but she still has questions. For now, though, she says the family is taking a wait-and-see approach as they will continue their strict quarantine through the summer.
It's been a big, long thought process for us. I have a list. We go back to see the doctor again on the 7th, and I have a list of questions and stuff that I want to talk to him about and ask him about.
Dr. Wood encourages any parent or guardian with reservations over the vaccine to bring their questions to medical professionals.
Really, the message is when it's available, I really encourage folks to get it. And if they have questions, talk to their doctor, talk to us at Riley, because we're happy to answer questions that I know can be hard to get real and good information on.
Working for you, Nikki Dementri, WRTV.
Well, Pfizer CEO says in a press release the hope is to start vaccinating the 12 to 15-year-old age group before the start of the 2021-2022 school year. The company continues vaccine trials in children ages 6 months to 11 years.